just outside it, just waiting to go in. Pretty cool. Well, inside. Very impressive. That's cool. That is. Still got the big vent, but the tree's really nice. There's another hole. There we are. That's quite cool. In just about set. Lego brick. Love now, many. Ouch. Do like it, but ouch. Rolling Stones. You got the James Bond car, and you change its number plates. See, number plates changed. Oops, sorry. Nice little lighthouse. Do like that. What the mansions here? Now the train's really nice. So is the price. That's a holiday for me. It is nice. Yeah, we've got a bit of a station with it as well. I've been doing this since they come out. But for £430, huh? It's a lot of money. Yeah, I think it's the older ones. Older Harry, I think. Yeah, it's quite cool. Alright, the Christmas trees, some of the Christmas is out. There's the Christmas tree. And the polar bears, they do not look like polar bears. There's the Galaxy Explorer. £90 in the UK. Well, that's nice. Very airy now. Yeah, pussycat. They're still here then. Alright, upstairs I go. Oh, definitely a lot. Wow, it's ginormous now. Never this big. It used to stop right there. Now they've all got that. That's really good. Spider-Man's in the far corner. Don't know if you can see the space. And unicorns over there. That's cool. Yeah. Somebody's at the lighthouse. That's cool. Motorised. There we are. I like this. So you can look at it. That's really good. That is. Do like that. Hammer looks quite good. They're not quite nice, they are. So you can touch them now. Interesting. Do like that bonsai tree. Really good. You even got a part of a bus now. You even got a bus stop now. They're quite cool. Another one of them you can look closely at. That's quite nice. Very impressed how light it is, actually. Yeah, I thought it was inspired by it. Really good. I've rather done like boats. You see, they need to go on water. Another castle. So they've made it so you can actually touch, I believe. They're quite good. Disney, I would say one of them is, definitely. I like it, I like it. That's cool. Now I'm walking the part of the building that wasn't even here. Ah, history of it all. I had parts of this, what I sold on a job lot. Yeah. Two below. Quite cool. I like that. I've actually have found some of these in the past. Didn't realise they was Lego actually. One equals 1, 2 equals 24. Alright. Cool. Yeah, it's quite true. Quite clever, really. I remember them. The fish is the original one I built and threw away the instructions because I thought I knew how to build it. Not a clever idea. Oh, that brings some memories back, that one does. Certainly does. The only theme park that's bigger than the America ones is that one. Original Lego. Poles. That's really good. Some of the new Star Wars stuff. Quite nice. Alright. That's from the new one. No. Still like the helmets, but so it's nice to be able to touch them now. Had the toy of that. I have no more. And the mini one. That I don't remember. But it's from the Bad Batch anyway. That's quite nice, I do like that. It's good that they finally bought another part. Do like these build your own minifigures plods now. Really are good. Ah, more over there. That's really nice. Don't think my brother's getting it yet. Yeah, that's quite cool. They've even done the street. Really good. Do like that. Yeah, really nice. Nice and airy. Really good.
Here, put that down.
Had one of these when I was a kid. Not the Lego version, obviously. That's really cool, that is. Yeah, quite nice. Alright, that's for sale. Cool. Very impressed with it, very impressed. Very impressed with that new Lego store. Well, redone out, redecorated, very big, very airy, and very impressive. Anyway, let's go elsewhere now. Ta-ta for now. Well, see you in a second. Bye for now. You know what I mean. It's mental, not a surprise. It is a Saturday. Smell Greg's now. Sausage roll. Nope, I mean good. Being good. May have a banana milkshake later because I still got plastic straws from America. I bought those back.